Are you curious about the infrastructure that's being built in our community? Join us while we take a look at the changes that are happening around Cascade. So the River District is located on the east side of Highway 55, just south of Cascade and south of Cascade Reservoir, and it's located on the Payette River. This is the neighborhood that we're going to be checking out today. According to the public sites, this neighborhood is going to have 145 single-family residents. It's going to have 11 cottage homes. It's going to have 46 townhomes, which you can see have already started here. There's going to be 64 multifamily units. There will be a mix of 4-plex and 24-plex buildings. There will be 12 acres of commercial lots. It'll have over 35 acres of common space, including pedestrian paths and parks. My favorite part about the River District is there will be a 1-acre park that's located on the river. In this neighborhood, the lots are already cut in. They're available for development purchases, and then they're also building townhomes that are currently available to purchase. These are listed by the Mike Brown Group with Silver Creek Realty. There's a lot of change currently happening in our community, and nobody else is bringing it to you like I am. So if you want to stay up to date on changes and development, be sure to subscribe to this channel.